A major steelworks complex, with an annual production capacity of some 600,000 tons of steel, has recently been erected in the Hid Industrial Zone in the Kingdom of Bahrain. In this complex, plant engineering specialist SMS designed and installed a heavy section rolling mill with state-of-the-art equipment, including drive technology supplied by NORD drive systems. With beam blanks weighing 16 tons apiece, moving these massive slabs is a tough job that requires heavy-duty drive solutions throughout the mill. Spray applied to the beams in the descaler, as well as very high ambient temperatures, add to the demanding conditions. NORD supplied gears for more than 600 roller table drives that move the beams along the production process, and some very large industrial gears as well. These powerful units straighten the heavy blanks before they enter the rolling stand. The rolling mill in Hid is a reversing stand. Once the beams come out on the far end, they are realigned and turned over, again facilitated by large NORD industrial gears, before they make another pass under the rollers. NORD equipped these gears with input and output shafts on both sides for maximum flexibility of use. All NORD gears, including industrial gears with torques of up to 242,000 Newton meters, come in single-piece unicase housings that ensure superior resilience and a long lifespan. NORD has been collaborating with SMS for more than a decade. Steel and metals industry drive solutions from NORD comprise versatile gears, motors, and control electronics for applications ranging from roller tables to cooling beds, shear lines to casting ladles, and many other segments of the production process.